preemptive scheme. SRTF, PPRIO, RR. SRTF algorithm. Shortest remaining time first is a scheduling method that is a preemptive version of shortest job next scheduling. In this scheduling algorithm, the process with the smallest amount of time remaining until completion is selected to execute. Since the currently executing process is the one with the shortest amount of time remaining by definition. Example. Process P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Arrival time: 05829. Burst time: 125193. SpongeBob is P1, Patrick is P2, Mr. Crab is P3, Sandy is P4, and Squidward is P5. SpongeBob arrives at 2, Sandy arrives at 5, Patrick arrives at 8, Mr. Crab arrives at 9. Patrick arrives again at 11, Squidward arrives at 14, Sandy arrives again at 25, SpongeBob arrives again at 30. Solutions. AWT equals to 6 meters, SART equals to 0.40 ms, ATT equals to 12 meters, SAT, HR equals to 0.17 p per meter s. PPRIO algorithm. Preemptive priority scheduling. It will preempt the CPU if the priority of the newly arrived process is higher than the current running process. The new process has not to wait until the current running process finishes or yields. Example, process P1 to P5, arrival time 90826, burst time 4:15:38:10, priority 38645. Sandy arrives at 0, Patrick arrives at 2, Sandy arrives again at 5, Mr. Crab arrives at 6, Squidward arrives at 8, SpongeBob arrives at 9, Squidward arrives again at 13, Mr. Crab arrives again at 20, and Sandy arrives at 28. Solutions. Total of WT is 16.9, average is 13.8 ms, total of RT is 0, average is 0 meters s, total of TT is 81, average is 16.2. RR algorithm. Round-robin scheduling is simple, easy to implement, and starvation-free. Round-robin scheduling can also be applied to other scheduling problems such as data packet scheduling in computer networks. It is an operating system concept. It is one of the algorithms employed by process and network schedulers in computing. Example, process is P1 to P5, arrival time 360813, burst time 105480, time quantum is 3 meters s. P3 arrives at 0, P1 arrives at 2, P2 arrives at 5, P4 arrives at 8, P5 arrives at 9, P3 arrives at 11, P1 arrives at 14. Solutions. Total of WT is 68, average is 13.6 ms, total of RT is 7, average is 1.4 ms, total of TT is 90, average.
Created using PowToon.